Hi friends, welcome to our channel Simple Tricks and Hacks. Today I am going to show you one simple trick that is easy way to remove suntan instantly from your face. Okay guys, for all this we need is curd, fresh curd, rose water. This will available in all stores near you. Multani Mitti, which is very effective to get fairer skin. Friends, before going to start this trick, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You'll get latest updates and easy and simple tips to get more beauty. Okay, let's start the trick. First we need to take some curd, then after add some multani mitti for this, and then add some rose water for this. Friends, just mix all this very well. Make this like the paste. And then friends, myself recording this video, so I'm unable to show this on my face, so for that reason I'm showing this on my hand. Friends, make this like a paste and then apply on your face and keep it for 20 to 25 minutes and then wash off. Then you'll get remove all the suntan instantly from your face. Okay, apply like this. Keep it for 20 to 25 minutes and then wash off. Will get rid of this suntan instantly from your face. Okay, thanks for watching this video friends. Please subscribe to our channel. Okay, thank you. Today I am going to show you the one and only simple way and the easy way to remove pores and pimples from your face, and also this will remove all the acne, which will work effectively. Okay, before going to start the trick, please don't forget to subscribe my channel Simple Tricks and Hacks. Okay friends, for this is the easy and natural way. This is the coriander leaves. First we have to take coriander leaves. Okay, and then pudina leaves. These are the pudina leaves. Okay, these two will remove all the acne and pimples and also cure pores from your face. Okay, all we need to do is do some paste from both this, and this is the paste of pudina and the coriander leaves. Friends, this is the very best and natural way. Friends, there is no side effects and nothing at all, because results were 100%. Just apply this on your acne and your pimples and also the pores on your face. Friends, myself recording this video, so I am unable to show this on my face, so that's for the reason I'm showing this on my hand. Just like this, just rub this. The juice of these leaves have to penetrate into your pores and your skin of your face. This will work effectively and very gives very best results. Okay, just like this. And rub it in a circular motion and leave it for just 15 to 20 minutes. Then you'll get, try this for at least 4 weeks. This will work definitely for sure, because Pudina has the ability to remove all the acne marks, and the coriander leaves will work effectively for the pimples. Okay, both these mix will work and give best results for your face. Okay, try this, you'll get best results. Okay friends, thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.